Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use approve new participants on WhatsApp group. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. Then navigate to groups. Then select the group you want to use. I'm going to use this particular group. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, the group name. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then navigate to group permissions. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular button. Just like so, you have successfully enabled approve new members into your WhatsApp group. This simply means that anybody that have this particular WhatsApp group link, they have to ask for your admin approval before you can grant them permission to access the group. So basically, this is how to use approve new WhatsApp participants in your WhatsApp group. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about how best to use WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.